This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by MaryAnn Brown. Private getaway with easy maintenance. Kitchen with copper farm sink, all appliances, and island. Laundry room going to the oversized single-car garage. Roommate bedroom plan, master BDR and bath with access to December. The upper level has split loft areas. One can be used as an overflow sleeping area or game room. Second, the area has been used as an artist studio. Large storage areas in the upper level. For more information, review the details below or contact MaryAnn Brown at 706-633-8587.